So I'm going to teach you how you can actually find legit, trustworthy, credible suppliers to supply your needs. Then under this, I will show you different methods we use to verify these suppliers step by step. Then after that, we shall look at number 4, where we shall look at shipping and then taxes. This is very, very important. I can't emphasize it enough. Literally, people normally make all these so well. When it comes to shipping and taxes, they don't know what to do, and they literally end up spending lots of money or perhaps losing their products because maybe they have used the wrong shipping method. They don't know how to calculate their taxes. So I'm going to show you teach you how to actually, the difference between the different shipping methods, that is to say air cargo, okay? And I will show you which products you can actually use under air cargo. Then I'll also show you which products you can use under sea cargo and when to consider it. If time allows, I will also teach you how to calculate the different what to consider to choose a particular shipping method. Then lastly, we shall look at taxes. So by the end of this video, literally, you can see someone should have enough understanding of importation. After this, all we can look into is marketing your products, how to find customers, of which we shall do that in the subsequent videos that are coming up. So definitely, if you want to catch up with all this, one thing I would suggest is get your notebook somewhere and a pen so that you're able to follow up if need be, or you can rewatch until you understand. Then if you don't want to miss out on anything, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because we have a lot coming when it comes to marketing your products, finding customers easily without you spending any money. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, because that's the only way you'll be able to know when we do upload our next video. You'll be notified, okay?